Let's talk compound interest with the TI-30XIIS calculator. So our focus here is going to be able to plug it in to the calculator. Now, the first question, you invest $6,000 at 3.5% for 8 years compounded monthly. How much is in the account after 8 years? Now, I'm a huge fan of first saying, what is the information that we have? So we know the principal is $6,000 because that's how much I start with. Then we've got the rate of 3.5%, so that's 0.035. 8 years, so time is 8. And we're compounding monthly, so n equals 12. Now remember what this formula looks like. Compound interest is the principal times 1 plus the rate divided by n raised to the n times t power. So let's plug in what we know. Ending amount is going to be 6,000 times 1 plus 0.035 divided by 12 raised to the 12 times 8 power. Now this is an important step, just being able to get the formula. But how do we do that in a calculator? So if we go to the calculator and we say, okay, we have our formula. Few things to recognize and remember. When we are using our calculator, parentheses are important, and we're going to need extra parentheses around the exponent. So I'm going to type in 6,000 parentheses. Remember, your parentheses are right here in your calculator. 1 plus 0.035 divided by 12, n parentheses. Then you're going to use the caret. The caret is over here. Ooh, bad color. The caret is over here. It's that up arrow piece. Then again, parentheses, 12 times 8. If you plug it into your calculator exactly like that, 100% straight across TI-30XIIS, you will end up with a value of $7,935.54 when we round to the nearest penny. And that is the basics of using the calculator. Now I want you to try one yourself. If you deposit $500 at 3% compounded daily for 6 years, what is the total at the end? Oops, wrong button. So we say, okay, I need first to write my formula. My principal, parentheses, 1 plus the rate is 0.03. Daily, we use 365 days in a year. And then my exponent will be 365 times 6 because this is a 6-year loan. Okay, so now, how do we plug that into our calculator? Go ahead and try. But again, 500, parenthesis, 1 plus 0.03 divided by 365, end parenthesis, caret, parenthesis, 365 times 6, end parenthesis. I think the most important part here is the parenthesis of the exponent. If you don't have that in parentheses, it makes your whole answer wrong. So just be careful. I always say you can't have too many, which is kind of a lie. But you want to make sure you've got parentheses around the main part as well as the exponent. So compound interest using the TI-30XIIS.